students, in today's class we are going to see the role of community organization in different settings. So what are the role of community organizer? So community organizer na role ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Okay, so all right, so move on to the next slide. Role of community organizer. Community organizer having the required characteristics and skills and knowledge about the process and steps of community organization will be able to apply the same in the different settings by playing appropriate roles. The different roles of the community organizer are discussed here. So these roles are neither exhaustive nor are mutually exclusive. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ರೋಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. So there are various role in different setting as a community organizer. Okay, first one is the communicator. The first role is a communicator. The community organizer transfers or transmits informations, thought, knowledge, etc. So communicator anta heli bandaga, the person who are going to communicate with the other person, they were normally going to give information, transmit information, thought and knowledge. Is it not? Hauda alva? Haudu. So to the member of the community, sharing of information enable the community to be the better prepared and empowered with the information. The communication between the organizer and the community and within the community is essential. The people have to be prepared and informed about the various effects or consequences of the community organization process. The communication takes place by individual contact, group meetings, group discussion, public meetings, etc. So communication ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so there will be how we are going to communicate the people. So normally the communication takes place by the individual contact. Individual ಆಗಿ we can communicate, okay, or else by the group meetings, or else a group discussion, or else the public meeting, etc. Okay, so this is what the first role of community organizer, that is the communicator. All right, so move on to the next point. Second one is enabler. The community organizer facilitates the process in community for a change, isn't it? So community organizers, what they in the society, their main intention or their main process is to community for the change. So process in the community for a change. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಅಂತ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ community organizers ಇರುವಂತವರು, is it not? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So simply community organizers as a social worker ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೇವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, we are going to ask the problems of the people or vulnerabilities of the people, is it not? He does not carry out any work by himself, but enables the community to do the work. It enables the community to do the work. He does not carry out any work by himself. Solely as a community organizer, he is individually himself. He is not going to take any kind of responsibility, any kind of work. He is not going to do any kind of work, but the community he is enable the community to do the work. Community ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Okay, so there is one sentence as a social worker ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ help the people help themselves. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Like that, the organizer gives importance to the process than the product. ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗೆ, ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುವುದರ ಬದಲು. Okay, so therefore the people learn the process rather than get worried about the result or consequences of the process. By the role of enabler, the organizer would create independence among the people by which they avoid the dependency syndrome. Dependency syndrome. Okay. Next, third one, animator. Third one is animator. In any process of community, organization, the organizer encourages or provides the direction and guidelines to proceed and carrying out the different activities. Many people, because of their culture, tends to depend on the other and do not want to decide anything on their own. In such situation, the organizer as an animator helps the people to come forward and have active participation. Any further corrections or a modification in the works of the community are being done by the animator. The animator plays a vital role in electing the active participation of the people from planning till evaluation. Especially ensuring involvement of people in all the dealing of the issues and problems. Alright, next point. So fourth one is guide. So role as a guide. The community organizer, instead of doing anything on his own guides, the member of the community in the process of community organization. The community organizer is not a person to shoulder the responsibility or solve the problems of the people. Instead, he has to make the people to respond for which the organizer provides the various avenues and shows different routes while dealing with the community problems. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ community organizer guide ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ he is not going to give a shoulder on their problems. ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ತರ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ MSW ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜನರನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡು ಮಗ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ ತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೆನ್ಸನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವೇನು ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮನೆ ನಾನ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. So as a guide, the organizer provides the needed information. He has to be a person with a lots of informations and ideas. All right. So next point, fifth one is the counselor. Fifth one is as a role of counselor. The community organizer understands the community and enables the community to understand itself. Community organizer understands the community and enables the community to understand itself. Community organizer ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ? So he must before understand the community ಅನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Later he enable the community people to understand itself. ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಜನರು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. At the time of difficulty, the individuals or the group are given the required counseling to help them proceed in the correct directions. The correct directions. One of the very basic dimensions of counseling is to be a patient listener. Patient listener. So usually everyone likes the others to listen to them, and hesitate to listen to others. Hesitate to listen to others. So it means nothing but usually everyone in the society, so one likes others to listen. So ಬೇರೆಯವರು ನನ್ನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ ವಿನಃ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಬಯಸುವವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ನಂಬರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. So now the sixth one is the role of collaborator. The community organizer joins the hand in performing his task with his colleagues, with the other like-minded people and organization. The organizer has to have the interpersonal relationships and public relations skills. Nowadays, organizations approach a problem not with their personal capacity, as they also depend upon a neighboring organization. So similarly, other organizations may also look for the cooperation and the collaboration with the different organizations. So community organizer ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊಲಾಬರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ he should give hand to them. Give hand in the sense what? ಅವರ ಕೈ ತೆಗೆದವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು? No. So he is also should give a support for that activities. Okay, ಸೊ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೆ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ consultant. Next, seventh one is the role of consultant. The community organizer enjoys the confidence of the people and advise them in matters of vital interest. The community organizer becomes a person. Organizer becomes a person with the knowledge and information which is being shared with the people. So community organizer becomes a person with knowledge and the information which is shared with the people. So ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಇಂದ, ಜನರಿಂದ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. Is it not? So as a consultant, the community organizer makes himself available to the people who are in need. As a consultant, the community organizer makes himself available to the people who are in need, because the community organizer has information and expertise which could be available of by those who are in need of it, Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ರೋಲ್ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ SM ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದ ನೀಡಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ next one is the role of innovator. The community organizer innovates the performance and improves upon the techniques through in the process of community organization. This gives a lead to the people of the community and enables them to try out new ways and means to find the solution to their needs and problems. The community organization should not be merely for solving problems. On the other hand, it has to function On the other hand, it has to function in the area of capacity, area of capacity building, area of capacity building the individual and the community. It's area of capacity building of the individual and community, where the organizer can be an innovator by introducing new ways to improve the capacity of the people. New ways to improve the capacity of the people. Okay. So next role ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ model. The community organizer commands perfections as a community organizer and serves as the source of inspiration. The role of the organizer is to become an example. The role of organizer is to become an example. While working with people, this should further become a model. This should further become a model which could be applied in other area, with similar problems. By proper planning in approaching a problem and the executing the plan and documenting the whole process will be a great help to the others. The problem solving process becomes a model to others. Problem solving process was there, right? So that is the process become the model to others. So role of motivator. The community organizer stimulates and sustain active interest among the people for reaching a solution to the needs and problems. So motivator ಆಗಿ community organizer ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? So ನಾವು ಒಂದು social worker community ಬಂದಾಗ we are the motivator of the community people. ನಾವು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. community people ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ to take up a minor task and complete it successfully, which should enable the people to take up a more difficult task. In such a process, the people at a time may not take any initiatives or a content to live with the existing situation. So therefore, the organizer motivates the people by making them observe, analyze, understand and respond to the situation. Okay. So next one is catalyst. In the process of community organization, the community organizer retains his identity. Community organization retain his identity. At the same time enables the people to be empowered. The people gain accessibility and control over our resources and acquire skills in decision making. The community organizer accelerates the actions and reactions. He accelerates the actions and reactions so that the people are able to achieve the desired result. As a catalyst, the organizer is able to increase the response level of the people. Next, the role of advocate. The role of the advocate is a persuade the members of the community or prepare them to be representatives so as to represent the issues of the concerned authorities to bring out the solution to the unmet needs. The advocacy roles is an importance one in the present context. Advocate ನವರು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗದ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವಕೀಲರ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರಹ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಭಾಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅವರ ಅಗತ್ಯತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪೂರೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೇಟರ್. ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಟು articulate their needs, clarify and identify their problems, explore appropriate strategies, select and apply intervention strategies, and develop the people's capacity to deal with their own problems more effectively. The facilitator provides the support, encouragement, and suggestion to the community, so that they may proceed more easily and skillfully in completing tasks or solving problems. Okay, so next, mediator. So role of mediator. Community organizer intervenes in disputes between the parties to help them find compromises, reconcile differences, and the satisfying agreements. The mediator takes a neutral stance between the involved parties. A mediator is involved in the resolving disputes between members or between the community and other persons in the broader environment. Okay, next. So role of educator. The community organizer as an educator conveys information to the community and those in the broader environment. Organizer provides the information necessary for coping with the problem situations, assist the community in participating new behavior patterns or skills, and teach through a presentation of role models. The community organizer provides the information necessary for decision making. So last, conclusion. So under this, so here we are going to see the community organizer can be applied and the skills and characteristics of the community organizer. The community organization process involves the community in taking the initiative in identifying, analyzing, selecting, and different needs and problems of the community. Okay, so all right. So I think it's enough for today. So these all are the main roles of community organizers. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Till that time, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.